Hi everyone and welcome to our tutorial on AWS EC2. In this video we will be covering everything you need to know to get started with EC2, including what EC2 is, how to launch an EC2 instance and how to connect to your instance. So what is EC2? EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud and it is a web service that provides scalable computing capacity in the AWS cloud. With EC2 you can launch virtual servers called instances which you can use to run your applications, host websites, store data and more. One of the great things about EC2 is that it provides a wide range of instance types, each optimized for different workloads. This means that you can choose the right instance type for your specific needs, whether you are running a small website, a high performance database, or something in between. Now let me take you to the AWS EC2 console and show you how we can launch an EC2 instance. So here guys, I am logged into my AWS account. Now let's click on search and open the EC2 service. So right now we are into the AWS EC2 console. Scroll down, let's click on launch instance. Okay, now let's name our instance as Debian. Now let's select our AMI. An AMI is a template that contains the software configuration required to launch your instance. And the software configuration includes operating system. It could be either Windows or Linux, application server. It could be Apache, Nginx, IIS, whatever you want. And applications, you could have a WordPress website, files, a Magento website, a Shopify website, whatever you want. So here I would select this Amazon Linux AMI. You can either select Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, and there are lots of AMIs available, and you can even create a custom AMI as well. So I would select Amazon Linux. Now instance type. So an instance type determines the hardware configuration of our instance, and there are many instance types to choose from, and you can select the one that best fits your need. So I would select T2 micro for the purpose of this tutorial. And scroll down, here we have key pair. So we use the key pair to securely log into our instance. So if you want to SSH into your instance using PuTTY, you would need this key pair, or if you want to connect to your instance using software like FileZilla, then you would also need this key pair. So you can either select I have already created some key pairs here, but if you don't have a key pair, you would just need to click on create new key pair. Let's name it as Debian, and as I have PuTTY, so I would select .ppk, but if you have OpenSSH software, you could select .pem. Click on create key pair. Okay, you can see the key pair has been successfully downloaded to my computer, and please remember that if you have lost this key pair, then there is no way you can get it back, but you can always create a new key pair. Now let's scroll down to network settings. So here I would keep this as it is, the VPC. And if you do not know about what is VPC, please make sure you watch my video on what is a VPC, so that you can have a clear understanding of what it is. And in the subnet, basically we choose in which availability zone we would like to launch our EC2 instance. So here I would select that I would like to launch the EC2 instance in the US East 1A zone. And now what is a security group? So a security group is a set of firewall rules that control the traffic for your instance. Basically the security groups control the incoming and outgoing traffic from your EC2 instance. So you can either create a new security group or you can select an existing one. So I would select an existing security group, and then we will select configuration storage for our instance. So again we have different types of EBS volumes here, and basically these are used to store your instance data, just like you have SSDs in your Windows computer. So here we have different types. For this tutorial I would select GP3, and here we would define the size. So let's keep it to 30 GB. And now If we scroll down, we have advanced details, but I would not cover that in this video because that's for really advanced users. So we will talk about that in some other video. Now let's click on launch instance. Okay, so our instance is now launching. Let's click here. Okay, now it would take a few seconds for our instance to be in the running state. Right now it is in pending state. Okay, our instance is in running state now. Now let me show you how we can connect to our instance using SSH. So for that I would use this software called Putty, which you can download free of cost from the internet. And let's copy the IPv4 addresses of our instance. Let's paste that IPv4 address here. Now click on SSH, authentication, browse, and let's select the Debian key pair which we created when I was launching the instance. Click on open. Okay, let's click on accept. Okay, now it's asking us login name. So as we selected the Amazon Linux AMI, so the login name here would be admin. Sorry, the EC2 user. Okay guys, so now you can see that we have successfully connected to our EC2 instance using SSH. I hope guys now you have a clear understanding of what is Amazon EC2 and how you can use it to host your applications on AWS. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I would be more than happy to answer all of your queries. And if you liked the video and you found it helpful, then please make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.